Hello. Welcome to Listen to English AR. 1. Listen to the story without translation. 2. Listen to the story again with the translation turned on. 3. Answer some questions. Sophie lives in a small, quiet house. She likes her home. It's clean, calm, and peaceful. But today is different. Sophie is making breakfast in the kitchen. She is singing and dancing a little. Life is good. Then she hears a noise. Scratch, scratch.
What's that?
She says. She looks under the table. Nothing. She opens the cupboard. Nothing. Then she sees it. A little gray mouse is sitting on her toast. It is eating calmly, like it's in a restaurant. Sophie screams. The mouse doesn't run and doesn't hide. It acts like the toast belongs to him. Sophie doesn't know what to do. She is standing on a chair now.
I am not ready for this,
she says. Meanwhile, the mouse is licking the butter. Sophie calls her friend.
There is a mouse in my house.
Her friend laughs.
Give him a name.
Sophie looks at the mouse.
Fine,
she says.
Hello, Mr. Toast.
And from that day on, Sophie has a tiny breakfast buddy. Every morning, they share toast and tea at the kitchen table. The little mouse sits politely and never misses a meal.
Sometimes things seem bad, but they're just hiding something good.
Don't forget to rewatch the video with subtitles turned on to improve your understanding and language skills.
Now we will listen to 3 simple questions to check your understanding of the story, and then we will review some vocabulary. Try to answer these questions in the comments. 1. Does Sophie live in a big house? 2. What is Sophie doing in the kitchen? 3. What color is the mouse?
House, house. Mouse, mouse. Kitchen, kitchen. Table, table. Cupboard, cupboard. Chair, chair. Butter, butter. Make, make. Sing, sing. Dance, dance. Hear, hear. Noise, noise. Look, look. See, see. Scream, scream. Buddy, buddy. Lick, lick. Different, different. Run, run. Hide, hide. What's that? What's that? Great job, everyone! You've learned some useful vocabulary today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.